Students, welcome to Iqra English School. This is your class 5th NCERT book looking around, and as you know that we are reading the chapter number 6, Every Drop Counts. Let's read the remaining chapter. Long ago, people used to make long journey with their caravans of animals and goods. People felt it was good things to give water to thirsty travelers. Thus, they built many beautiful step wells. So first of all, we will talk about the caravans. Do you know the caravan? Long ago, years ago, uh, there were no any bus, train, car, planes, etc. That is why the people who were to travel, they were to travel in groups by their horse, on their horse, donkeys, camels, etc. to go for long journey, and they had to take their food and water with them. But sometimes the food and water became finished before reaching their destination. So the people of Rajasthan tried to help them by making the staple for the travelers so that they could get water properly in the way. Question number 1. Have you ever faced a shortage of water in your area? If yes, when? What was the reason for it? You can say it sometimes happens when the Jal board do not supply the water properly, then we face water shortage. Question number 3. From where did they get water for the house? Has there been a change now? They used to get water from river, well, hand pump, etc. But now we get water from pipeline of Jal board. Question number 3. What kind of water arrangement were made for travelers? For example, piau, mashak means the leather bag or any other. Now, what do people do about water when they travel? First of all, I want to tell you about piau. Piau means one or more pitchers that were filled with clean drinking water and kept for the travelers. And now we take water bottle with us when we travel. Customs related to water. Even today people get water from very old lakes, dharas, step wells and nalas. Many customs and festivals are related to water at some place where whenever lakes get filled up with rainwater, the people gathered around the lake to celebrate. See this bride of Uttarakhand. In this picture, after getting married, she has come to the new village. She goes to the spring or the pond. In cities, one can see the interesting form of this custom. The new bride worships the tap in her home. Can we even imagine life without water? No, we cannot imagine our life without water, because water plays a very important role in our life. We cannot live without water. The story today led us see the different ways in which people manage water today. See page number 57 and discuss. Do you get water in your house by any of these ways? Put a tick on that. If you get water by some other ways, write in your notebook. There are some children who are telling from which source they get water at their home. First of all, the boy is telling a Jal board water tanker came to our colony twice a day. We have to stand in a long queue to get water from the tanker. People at times have fights over water. He get water from the water tanker that comes from the Jal board, and sometimes it becomes too much rush and the people started fight to get the water. This girl is telling, we fill water from the well. The nearby well dried up years ago. Now we have to walk far to reach the other well. We are not allowed to take water from some of the wells because of our caste. This girl is telling that now she is facing too much problem of getting water. His area's well has dried up and now she is to go far away for having water, but some wells are there uh, from where that she could not take water because of her caste. Means maybe her caste would be low. She would belong to the lower caste. That is why the people do not allow to take water to her. She is telling that we get water at home for half an hour. We fill this in the tank to use all day. Sometimes it is dirty. She is telling that we get water for just half an hour in our home, but we fill a tank with the water. But sometimes the water becomes dirty. This girl is telling we get water from our taps all day long. Means she has no problem of water. This girl is telling there is a hand pump nearby. Sorry, this boy is telling there is a hand pump nearby, but the water that we get from it is salty. We have to buy water for drinking. Such as we are here in Gujarat, there is water underground, but that is salty. So we are to buy drinking water from outside. This boy is telling we have put a pump directly in the Jal Board pipeline. Now we do not have any problem. He has pumped directly. That is why from the Jal Board. That is why he do not face any problem. We have to put a motor to pump up the water from the borewell, but there is no electricity. So what do we do? He is telling that there is a pump, there is a motor in his home. That is why he get water fastly, but if there is no electricity he also face problem. This lady is telling we get water from the canal itself.